Proper liver function is essential for the health of your body. A toxic buildup in your liver can cause symptoms like lack of energy, poor digestion, bad breath, and weight gain. If you feel the need to cleanse your liver, don't hesitate. Here, you'll find the best recipe for the liver detox. Hello and welcome, this is Catherine from Double O Kidney. Subscribe now and stay always updated. The liver is the largest organ in the human body, and it is responsible for a multitude of functions. The liver detoxifies our blood, stores minerals and vitamins, breaks down the hormones and produces the bile. When it is not working properly, digestion problems are to be expected. Other symptoms of liver problems include fatigue, itchy skin, change in the urination patterns, swelling in legs and ankle, and jaundice. The liver takes care of wastes and toxins in the body. This task put it in direct contact with processed foods, toxins, and other environmental dangerous substances. When people think about liver problems, they think only about alcoholism-related issues. But conditions like cirrhosis can have many causes, alcoholism being only one of them. Cirrhosis occurs when parts of the liver are replaced by scar tissue, thus diminishing the organ's functionality. The liver is essential for your well-being, and you need it to work at its best to properly take care of your body. Take enough care of your liver and it will take care of you. With this easy and straightforward recipe, you'll be able to keep your liver in good health for years to come. You don't need a starvation diet or some crazy cleanse to get the results you want. Just this easy and effective liver cleanse recipe which, by the way, is suitable for all kidney patients not on fluid allowance. What you'll need to do is, starting 1 week before the cleanse, to push out all the unwanted toxins from your body. This is necessary if you want this liver cleanse to work as intended. Start removing from your diet all the junk foods, processed foods, fried foods, sugar-rich in items or any packaged foods full of preservatives. Being the liver so involved in inactivating alcohol, stopping drinking is a must. I know this is pretty hard to do, but it's really going to help not just with the liver detox, but with your whole body health, kidneys included. Do all these steps to give your liver a great way to fully recover during this cleanse. Here we go. Let's see the ingredients. Milk thistle. Silymarin, the active ingredient of milk thistle, is approved in Europe to treat liver damage. Several studies have shown silymarin benefits on patients with liver damage. Milk thistle is a flowering herb related to the daisy and ragweed family. It doesn't just help the liver repairing damages caused by alcohol. It is also useful to eliminate the damage from environmental pollutants, prescription drugs, and the buildup of heavy metals. During clinical trials, silymarin has been shown to strengthen the cell walls in the liver. Milk thistle is easily one of the best herbal remedies supplement you'll ever find. I've linked some trusted brands in description. Turmeric. Used as a medicinal herb and as a spice for thousands of years in India. Today, its health benefits are backed by science. Turmeric, thanks to its curcumin content, is one of the supplements with the greatest number of benefits. And not just for the liver. Curcumin is a powerful antioxidant that can be used to treat liver and digestive problems. It can also be useful with skin issues, arthritis, age-related chronic diseases, and heart disease. It has shown various benefits against various types of cancer. But most of all, it's powerful antioxidant, really useful for a liver cleanse. Take turmeric capsules during the cleanse week, since different brands have different quantities of active ingredients. Follow the directions present on the label. I've linked some trusted brands in the description. Peppermint. This herb isn't just good for your breath. It helps kick-starting your liver, stimulating and relaxing the bile ducts. Peppermint also helps with high cholesterol. It makes breaking down fats easier, making the life of your liver smoother. It can aid digestion and help with the gallbladder and kidney problems. During the liver cleanse week, I suggest using organic peppermint, sifted leaves to make tea. Since we're going to need to drink a lot of water to cleanse the liver, it is a good idea to make this tea in the morning and sip it cold or room temperature during the whole day. Pour about 60 ounces of boiling water on 10 teaspoons of herb. Let it cool down and drink it during the day. You should also drink other 80 ounces of water during the day. This is essential for the liver detox to work properly. What to do next? Since you have pushed out a lot of toxins, your body is going to be in a great shape and you're going to feel great too. Why not do a kidney cleanse then? You will be a step ahead, since you will not need the first week of detoxing. Watch this video for more info. This is all for today. If you like this video, please like and subscribe. Feel free to ask any question in comment section or in our blog newhopeforkidneypatients.com. Thank you for watching.